Okay, hello world quiz. Comment the code with the correct syntax. Okay, so this is a single line comment, sorry. And then forward slash asterisk, asterisk back forward slash. Okay, let's move forward. In Java, what is the purpose of leaving comments in code? They are only present in compiled code. They provide human readable notes that clarify thinking. They are how words are printed to the screen. They provide checks that the compiler must pass. They provide human readable notes that clarify thinking. The following code will run without an error. False or true? That's false because we're missing a semicolon at the end. What would the name of the file be if it contained the following code? Public class hello world, public static void main, string args system.out.println hello world. That would be hello world.java. What will the following code print to the console? Hello Cody. Java is a compiled language, meaning the code we write is translated by another program into a language the computer understands. That is true. What is missing from this Java program? Public class covers the history of the Java programming language. So yeah, the main method, public static void main, string args. This is what's missing. Okay, up next.
Right, so instructions number 1, the file count comment.java has a number of comments in it. In your head, count the number of comments, then inside the main method, declare a variable called numComments that holds how many comments you counted. So there are 6 comments over here. We're going to use an int in this instance because we're going to initialize a number to this variable. NumComments was 6. So print out NumComments. Alright, there you go. Okay, so learn Java doubles. Number 1. Instructions number 1. As of 2016, Android has 81.7% of the market share for mobile operating systems. Create a variable called Android share that holds this percentage as a double. Okay, print out Android share to the console.